Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to use the Tourism Square dashboard. This tool provides essential environmental data such as air quality, temperature, and vegetation health to assess the conditions for various tourism activities. It was designed to help you make informed decisions and monitor your destination. In this tutorial, we will go through the main features and show you how to analyze and interpret the data efficiently. Before we begin, let's go over how to access the Tourism Square dashboard. If you simply want to explore the demonstrator, start by visiting the Destination Earth platform. Once there, click on the Square service in the catalog. Take a moment to view the service description page. Then click Go to Service to access the demonstrator, where you can explore test territories. If you want to create a square for your own territory, follow these steps. From the demonstrator, click on Request an Instance. Log in to the destination platform using your credentials. Finally, fill out the customization form to configure your instance. First, upload a GeoJSON file to define your geographical area. Check that it fits the requirements and its extent in the map below. Then, select up to 8 tourism activities relevant to your destination. Once submitted, your request will be reviewed, and upon approval, your customization dashboard will be ready to use. Once logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. The interface consists of a map, key indicators, and interactive elements to explore the data. Let's take a quick look at the key sections. The map allows you to picture the extent of the selected destination, but also provide an overview of where the tourism happens. The different points are a variety of monuments, viewpoints, hotels, and other tourism-related sites. The graph displays the environmental data. Here you can analyze trends related to a particular indicator, helping to better understand the mechanisms and seasonality of the region. On the graph are displayed the thresholds and references used. For example, for air quality, we compare the value to the WHO thresholds describing the impact on human health. The data ranges over several years, so make sure to select the period or season you want to study using the selector on the left. You will see a green rectangle on the graph over the selected time span. Above, the grades from 0 to 10 represent how practical an activity is for the chosen period or simulation. The practicability is defined using human standards. Each activity is scored based on the indicator values and weights that are given for each indicator depending on the activity. The simulation feature on the right-hand side of the dashboard lets you adjust different indicator values. You can see how it impacts the activity score on the grade panel. Once your analysis is complete, you can export the entirety of the raw data in CSV format by clicking this button. The CSV format is easily opened in Excel sheets and very lightweight. This will allow you to further process the data, correlate it with your own data and expertise, or share insights with others. In this short tutorial, we covered how to access, create your own, and navigate the Tourism Square dashboard, and use it to monitor and simulate real-life events and trends. The rest is for you to discover. If you want to go further, you can find more advanced analysis and case studies. For that, check our additional tutorials and documentation. Have fun exploring!